Gising ang mga person. Gising na gising. Update tayo sa inyong mga magulang. Hoy, asan yung nanay mo? Where's your mother? Why are you sitting on the table? Di ba I told you no sitting on the table? You say hello to your parents. Ay, wow. You're drawing. What are you coloring, baby? Ay, wow. Nice, Ate Pia. Hi, Ate Pia. Hi, Ate Pia. Oy, Tito Hendrix also. Wow. Hi, Kuya. Kuya, what are you doing? Uy, what are you doing? Why are you covering your face? Kuya is diamond painting. The others are coloring. Anong tatlo, Kuya? Wala. Wala akong tatlo. Uy, baka gusto mag-watch ni Cairo. Ay, gusto mag-watch ng Miss Rachel. Ay, anaantok na ang baby Cassie. Good night, baby Cassie. Sleep night ka.